Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Coinbase Wallet to connect to Aave. Full guide step by step clearly. To download Coinbase Wallet, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you have an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Coinbase Wallet. Select the official Coinbase Wallet app from the search results. Tap the download or install button to start the download process. Once the app is downloaded, open it by tapping on the app icon. You will be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you're new to wallets, select Create a new wallet. Follow the instructions to create a secure password. Make sure to write down your recovery phrase. This phrase is essential for accessing your wallet in the future. After creating your wallet, you will see various features of the app. To connect to Aave, locate the Browser tab at the bottom of the screen. In the browser, you'll find a search bar at the top. Type Aave into the search bar and hit Enter. You will be directed to the Aave platform. If prompted, select Connect Wallet. Choose Coinbase Wallet from the list of options. You might need to allow necessary permissions for the connection. Once connected, you can start using Aave's services. Ensure you have some cryptocurrency in your Coinbase wallet for transactions. Now, you are ready to explore Aave and all it has to offer. Always remember to keep your wallet secure and your recovery phrase safe. You have successfully downloaded and connected Coinbase Wallet to Aave. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.